Hey guys, welcome back to Mr.laowai-English Tag. Today I'm very excited because I have got Xiaomi 14. It is very new. This small piece brought lots of new features, such as it brought Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This is the first smartphone who is using Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. And they upgraded Leica and lots of things you should know before buy it. The price is around 4000 RMB, which is very basic variant. And they have 4 colors: white, black, dark green, and this pink color. So don't waste time to talk. Let's go to unbox this. Opening the box, you will find the Xiaomi 14 itself for this review. We have the elegant pink variant. Digging deeper on the second layer, you will discover a few more goodies. There's a protective black case to keep your device safe, some guide papers to get you started, and a SIM card too. And the icing on the cake, Xiaomi has included a 90-watt charger and a Type-C to Type-A cable. With the unboxing complete, it's time to dive into the Xiaomi 14's specifications. The Xiaomi 14 series is making waves with its cutting-edge design and impressive features. It comes in 4 stunning colors, including this Snow Mountain Peak version, boasts a second-generation nanotech skin that's highly durable and resistant to discoloration. If you are familiar with the Xiaomi 13, you will notice a familiar elegance. The Xiaomi 14 features a flat side frame with rounded corners, giving it a sleek and polished look. Its ultra narrow body measures just 71.5 mm, making it exceptionally easy to handle. And here's a neat feature: it can stand on a surface just like the iPhone 14. To keep its lights on, the device comes with a 4610 mAh silicon carbon negative battery with 90-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless fast charging. It also features ultra-space storage expansion, allowing you to expand your storage without increasing your hardware costs. This device upgrades to a USB 3.2 Gen 1 interface. The Xiaomi 14 boasts a 6.36-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution. The screen offers a resolution of 2670 by 1200, resulting in a pixel density of 460 pixels per inch. Now, here's where it gets interesting. It achieves a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it one of the brightest displays in the industry. The Xiaomi 14 offers a touch sampling rate of 2160 Hz. One of the standard features is its support for LTPO technology, allowing for an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz. Whether you are browsing the web, reading, or gaming, this display ensures a seamless visual experience. The Xiaomi 14 also features TC dimming and supports the P3 wide color gamut. The ultra-thin bezels on the top side measures just 1.61 mm, while the slim chin is slightly larger at 1.71 mm. And there's more. With a pixel density of 460 ppi, this display supports Dolby Vision, HDR, and boasts not one but 2 Dolby speakers, with one positioned at the top and another at the bottom. And now, the cherry on top, Xiaomi HyperOS. It's a human-centric, smart ecosystem designed for personal devices, cars, and home products. It's built on 4 major principles: low-level refactoring, cross and intelligent connectivity, proactive intelligence, and end-to-end security. That's a quick overview of the Xiaomi HyperOS. Xiaomi 14 implements the world's first Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to provide superior performance and higher power efficiency with the most advanced processing technology. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 14 also supports IP68, NFC 2.0, Wi-Fi, UFS 4.0 storage, and LPDDR5. Well, the Xiaomi 14 features a triple rear camera setup. In the camera department, the Xiaomi 14 comes with a 50 megapixel main camera. With this sensor is a new generation of Leica Summilux lens, and Xiaomi is using it for the first time. This sensor supports OIS and is paired with a Leica optical Summilux lens. This device also comes with a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, which is Samsung S5KJN1, and a 50 megapixel telephoto camera, also Samsung OIS. On the front, the device has a 32 megapixel Omi Vision OV32B lens for selfie. Before we go ahead and take some samples, let's explore the camera settings it offers. Xiaomi takes camera technology to the next level with Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro. It features Leica Simulx lens, co-developed by Leica, and new Light Hunter 900 sensor. The device is equipped with 3 professional Leica master lens and offers a remarkable 1024 step variable aperture. This sensor is a new generation of Leica Simulx lens, and Xiaomi is using it for the first time with an aperture of 1.6 and a 7p spherical high lens. The company claims this increased light's sensitivity by 180%. However, the 50 megapixel 14mm Ultra seemingly lack AF and it turned macro capabilities. The 75mm Leica telephoto has a floating lens, which means that it can take pretty decent close-ups and long shots. Alright guys, now I'm recording this video from front camera, which is 32 megapixel on 4K 30 FPS. Oh, nice. So let me check. Okay, while recording, you cannot zoom in or zoom out. I'm walking in the mall. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the running result. This is the running result. Alright guys, now I'm recording this video from back camera 1x. The back camera, have 50 megapixel. Now I'm walking and I haven't used any external microphone for recording this video. So this is small. Let me show you one thing. So this is 1x, this is 3.7x, and the last is 15x. While recording, if you are moving your phone, the video would be very stable. Wow, cool. It's a bit blurry, but it's not shaking at all. Wow, cool. Look at this, 0.6x now. And this is the result when you are vlogging. Oh, let me show you the running result. Okay, this is the running result. Sorry, I didn't speak louder. Sorry for that. Okay, so I'm going to take some photos. Let's go.
Fade away as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
The Xiaomi pricing starts at $3,999, which could be like $546 for the basic model, 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage. This device is available in 4 colors, including black, white, rock green, and snow mouse pink. The glass version is 8.29mm thick and weighs around 193 grams. And the nano leather version is 8.28mm thick and weighs 188 grams, offering a range of options to suit your preferences. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Xiaomi 14 smartphone, from its captivating design to its powerful performance and advanced features. This smartphone has a lot going for it. In the next video, we will do a review of the Xiaomi 14 Pro. So don't miss it. Thanks for hanging out with us today on Mr.laowai-English Tech. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.